Ever feel like you're drowning in data? Imagine sorting a puzzle with millions of pieces. How do you find the right ones? That's the pattern explosion problem in data science. Today, we're cracking it with hashing, a smart shortcut to find the best patterns fast. Pattern mining isn't about finding every pattern. It's about spotting the most useful ones. Think of it like organizing a closet. You don't need every sock, just the ones that match. But how do you know which patterns matter? Enter reconstruction error, a measure of how well patterns rebuild data. Small errors equals great patterns. Big errors equals time to pivot. The catch: traditional methods like greedy algorithms are slow, like picking puzzle pieces one by one. Enter hashing, a digital sorting hat that groups similar patterns into buckets, filtering out the noise. It's like labeling books in a library to find the busiest sections without checking every shelf. Meet HaPSi, a method that uses hashing to estimate how many data points a pattern covers. By tracking random hash values, it guesses coverage without exhaustive checks. It's lightning fast, nearly as quick as the naive approach, but as accurate as greedy, perfect for messy, real-world data. HaPSi proves speed and accuracy can coexist. Whether you're decoding images or linking weather to ecosystems, it's a game changer. Next time you see a recommendation system work, remember, it's math, hashing, and clever pattern hunting. Thanks for watching, stay curious. Want to see HaPSi in action? Comment below. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI secrets. Until next time, keep exploring.